Howdy ho, pals. Howdy ho, pals. We're coming in Easter weekend, I guess. Or week? I don't know. Oh, that one's pretty. Yeah. Green and blue. Makes you want to use that, doesn't it? Like in nails, I mean. Look at these ones. Cat with Easter ears. Where does he want to be? He wants to be everywhere. But I'm sure he wants to be here on the day of. There was nothing on that note. Nothing to note on that note. So, and then we'll use some of these. Cute guys. Oh, I feel like I just did this, you guys, because I did just do this, really. Because I hadn't forgotten, but I wasn't home. I didn't get it done until Thursday. He's like, what did you just do to me? Oh, this guy, come on. I don't know what I'm doing yet for Easter dinner. I'll have to think of something. We'll probably grill out. Well, I guess that'll depend on the weather, because in the last 2 days it was 78, which broke our highest temp ever record. And then last I looked, it was 23. That's how springtime goes. And we should put a little cute little butt rainbow out across 2 days. And let's use one of these guys. They are so adorable. They're really fine. You gotta be careful. But they're real cute. There. And then I also want to use this big fleur. Since I don't have anything crazy going on, I might as well get crazy with the decor. Alright, let's use this big guy too, just because I can. And I will. Alright. I get my hand on the table.
Yes, you do.
Okay, now we need, I guess I don't really know. I'm going to assume there's therapy, but it could change closer to the date.
Hang it up again.
Could change. I don't know if Missy will be having a bit off. I'm just kind of putting the stuff I do on Sunday, I'm just going to make it kind of both days, because it'll just happen when it happens. Whichever days they get fit in. Okay, there's going to be 2 videos that week. On the 2nd will be an Easter one. I'm going to do those when I get done here tonight. For some reason, this one chipped going up. I don't know. Literally, you guys listen. I know that on the packaging it says 2 weeks, everything's built in, etc., etc., right? But let me tell you a little story. I've never even had a single layer, that is. If I just do a single layer, I've never had my nails make it 24 hours without something chipping. Be it from the top. These ones are chipping from the top, but this is chipping from the bottom. So, thumbs and rings, single layer. Didn't even get a chance to put top coat on because I already saw it was chipping and was like, whatever, I'll just change it. So that was less than 12 hours. And that's like consistent for me. So this guy's big, but he is real cute. So we're going to use him. Don't need that. Now, had I put an overlay over these, they'd be fine, just like this. But that's not the spiel, right? The spiel isn't like, these will last 2 weeks if you put an overlay over them. That's just my spiel. That's what I tell people. If you want them to go the distance, 2 layers. I don't know. I mean, I don't feel like I am the busiest human, you know, but apparently I'm hard on my hands. I don't know. Okay. This one, I don't remember what this is. It's already scheduled. I just don't remember what it is. Easter, and this is a live nails where I'll be doing my actual Easter nails that I'm gonna wear. And we're doing it early, 7 p.m. That's kind of nice.
Guys, let's all start a band together and just kind of make our own kind of music, whatever we want.
And these are the Easter nails I'm doing when I get done here. Should be really good. I'm excited for them anyway. It took me a lot of thinking about what I was going to do. But once I got it sorted out, I was like, yes, yes, yes. I'm in it. I don't know if my... Now I just got to look because I'm wondering how far out my weather forecast will look. I mean, the 5th isn't that far out. Nope, it doesn't show it. Yeah, 18 above right now. It was 78 yesterday. That's a 60-degree difference, my friends. Okay, there it is. This guy's cracking me up with his little, like... I mean, what it's meant to be is he had little snoozy eyes. But now I made it look like some big, bold eyebrows. Oh, Lordy. All right, ladies. This was a fast and easy. And I'll see you next week.